Hi. This is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles, and I'm in the garden. I'm really so happy with this day of sunshine. We didn't have much of a sunshine. It's so important to feel that sun on your skin, to feel that golden light that can nourish you every day. And this time is because of the sun is getting higher and higher. We feel the effect of the sun on our skin, in our body, in our being. So in the garden there are a lot of beautiful flowers that's coming up, and then you feel the leaves are so greenish, it's so beautiful, and you feel that pulse. The pulsation is, there's a bigger pulsation that really brings up the juices in your body as well, because we are in the time of Beltane. So Beltane, it's on the eve of the 1st of May, and it's a very special day where you celebrate love. In the olden days, with the Celts, boys and girls will look for each other, and they will go and find that same frequency, and they will really make love in nature. They really want to explore the love. They want to really have that vibration, that love vibration, these higher frequencies. They want to feel it, so that their crops are happy, so that everything what grows in their garden will be more happy. And that's what we are doing. We influence our environment by how we are feeling. When we feel joyful, we have a big influence on the environment, on the friends, and so on. So this is also the period of the will. And the will chakra is the one who, how do you say it? It's like the period where your will can grow and where you can be aware of your own will. Many people are in the will of someone else without knowing. They are in another scenario, in another creation process that is not even theirs. And when it's like that, those people, they don't know what they want in life, because somebody else already has written their will for them. So it's so important to redefine your own will. What are you doing here on Earth? What do you want to bring on this planet Earth? What is meaningful for you to do in this beautiful life? And it's like, how do you say, I don't know how we have that verse in the Bible that says thy will be on earth or something, but I don't remember how you can pronounce it. But it's about the will. It's about your creation. It's about your creativity. And it's about living your life and not the life of someone else. Because their will is bigger than your will. It does not mean that you have to be willing doing things for them that are fitting their scenario. I hope you understand me. But it's really a very beautiful period, and you have these beautiful yellowish flowers everywhere that really can stimulate your will chakra. And it's about when this is a very good time to be in nature, to feel that juiciness of that period of Beltane that really stirs up the creativity that we have in ourselves to really create the new world. It's as if we, as priests and priestesses, we are coming together with that beautiful big goddess, and that goddess is bringing us onto the edge. And she said, look how beautiful it is. And she's doing this, boof, everybody's falling over the edge. And this is what she wants, because we are ready to recreate the new world. And when we are falling, and this is the moment we are falling down until, boof, the intuition or on instinct is working, and we open our wings and we say, oh my God, and there we are free again, by using intuition, by using our instincts again, so that we can really feel what we are and what we want, and what is our purpose in this life, to make this world a better place for everyone. This is the time for community to come together and really to feel the love between each and every one of us. We are linked by this beautiful, beautiful frequency, and we always have been bonded together. We are not separated. We are not separate. We are no separate beings. We are not alone. We are one with everything. So I hope this can help you a little, because these periods, many people, they feel a lot of emotions, different emotions together, and we have to deal with that as well. So always keep your dream in mind. So always strive towards a new world. Even when you see people are dying around you, having a lot of troubles, these are the times. These are very big transformative times. And to transform, we have chaos. And we are in the middle of the chaos, and it will become bigger and bigger. We know that, we feel that, but it's not the doom we have to focus on. We have to focus on the new world. We have to focus on the freedom of the sovereignty. Okay, I hope that helped you. I wish you a really beautiful May month, and it's the month of the mother, and it's the big cosmic mother that we are integrating now in our bellies, and that's wonderful. So I wish you a really beautiful time, and hope to see you soon. Oha.